I'm Mia from Miro AI Studio. Looking for something to improve your presentations, quizzes, or workshops? Meet flip cards. Click Tools, Media and Integrations, and search for flip card. Click anywhere on the board to place it. Add text to the front and back. Use them for questions and answers, key concepts and definitions, or problems and solutions. Whatever fits your workflow. Change the card color to categorize by topic or priority. Switch between vertical or horizontal orientation based on your board layout. Use flip cards for team icebreakers. The front shows a question like, "How many people work in this company?" Flip to reveal the answer. Use them during retrospectives. Front side shows what went well. Flip to reveal specific examples. Create learning materials where the front shows a term and the back shows the definition. Run interactive workshops where participants guess answers before revealing. For product feature reveals in stakeholder presentations, show the problem on the front and your solution on the back. Flip cards turn static content into interactive moments that keep audiences engaged. Ready to try them? Click the link in the description to start using flip cards in Miro. Subscribe for more Miro tips on interactive features. Thanks for watching.